Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, George. As you can see, I got my truck here in the background, and I got a few questions on what exactly I did to fix a service trailer brake issue on my truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that real quick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, George. It's pretty windy out here. Hopefully the wind doesn't pick up too much on the microphone. But I've been asked a few times on what I do or what I did to fix my trailer brake issue on my truck. And the first thing I did was change this relay here in the back. It's an AC Delco, probably about $25 to $30. And basically you loosen up these two screws, move it forward, pops down, take the plug off, put the new part on, and reverse the process. If this relay does not fix your issue, you could also look at this ground here, or if you don't have the relay, try to do this first. Now, I don't know exactly where this ground goes because my truck doesn't have the original bed support. As you can see, it's been cut off. But look for these two wires on the ring terminal, and clean the surface on the back, put it back on there, and see if your issue goes away. On the other truck I had, this was attached to a broken piece of the bed support. So basically every time it would hit here and touch, the issue would go away, and once it would move, my light would turn back on. And the third issue I had, not too sure if it was related to that, but was a broken ABS sensor here on the front. Basically right here where you see the black part right here, the wires were broke inside, and I was using a voltmeter to kind of ohm it out, and I couldn't get continuity out of it. Put that plug on there and drove it around the block. The ABS light turned off, the trailer brake turned off, and that fixed my issue. But I do recommend looking for those wires there and finding a good ground and attaching them. Alright guys, well hopefully that saves you some time and money, whatever. So just let me know. Bye bye.